Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to work on a beautiful table setting for Valentine. Today I'm going to use some of the item I DIY and then Dollar Tree items and some high ends. I DIY these placements and also I'm going to use other stuff that I get from the thrift store. Okay guys, keep on watching. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first to know. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you and keep on watching. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys if you want to recreate the look. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si c'est la première fois ou là, moi dis bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Si c'est pas pour la première fois ou là, moi dis merci en pile pour support. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Merci beaucoup. This is the finished look guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it.